Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Nestled just 5 minutes outside Junction's town center and a short drive from Treasure Beach. This exceptional residential community, known as Top Hill, offers the perfect blend of rural charm and urban convenience. With easy access to fresh, locally grown fruits and vegetables, while remaining close to essential amenities and recreational spots. Top Hill St. Elizabeth is truly an ideal location. Imagine waking up to breathtaking views of the sea from your private balcony, with the majestic Monroe Mountains and its iconic windmills greeting you from your front porch. This stunning home sits on one third of an acre, featuring fruit trees, space for cash crops, and a generously sized yard perfect for family gatherings and barbecues. Designed with classic architectural elegance, the home boasts a spacious and comfortable layout, including four bedrooms, four bathrooms, a kitchen, dining area, washroom, garage, and a private balcony overlooking the ocean. The property is enhanced by double-glazed windows, providing superior insulation and noise reduction. Additionally, all electrical wires run underground, ensuring unobstructed views while promoting safety and reliability. Call now and secure your piece of paradise. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is £210,000, US 270.1 thousand, Jamaican 42.6 million, or Canadian $386.7 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.